Hey y'all, get on in this kitchen because this is episode 2 of my new series, One Pot Meals, where I teach you how to make a delicious meal in just one pot. And this recipe is a 2-for-1. If you want a delicious plant-based soup, then omit the chicken and chicken stock. But if you want the full shebang, add the chicken and chicken stock for this braised citrus and herb chicken. Let's get into it. So we're going to start off by giving our chicken thighs a little bit of color. You're going to brown them on both sides and get some nice fat rendered. Pull those out the pot, and now we're going to saute some onion. Once we get these in the pot with all of that nice fat from the chicken thighs, we're going to make sure we try to scrape up as much of those good bits as we can. Now for the rest of our aromatics, we're going to add in some garlic and some rosemary, and we're going to cook those for about 1 minute until they get fragrant. Now let's deglaze the pan by adding in some chicken stock. If you're keeping this vegetable forward, then omit the chicken stock and add veggie stock. Now let's go in with our canned tomatoes and crush those down with a wooden spoon. And then we're going to go in with 1 can of chickpeas that have been rinsed and drained. And then you're going to follow up with filling that can up with some water. Let that come to a nice boil. And then once it hits a boil, you're going to add your chicken thighs back in, cover, and let those cook for about 18 to 20 minutes. Once you get to this portion of the meal, you're going to pull out those chicken thighs and add in some lemon juice. That's our citrus. Then to make this a complete meal, we're going to go in with a leafy green. Now you can do spinach, but if you opt to do kale or collards, you just need to make sure you give those enough time to cook through. And there you have it, a delicious one-pot meal. We're going to add some crusty bread so we can sop up all that goodness, top with some fresh herbs, and we also have to do a fresh squeeze of lemon juice. Y'all, this dish everybody loves. Try it this week and let me know what you think. Until next time, it's your girl, Lady B.